The cease work strike called by Coordinating Committee of Manipur Integrity has proceeded across the state today. Security have tightened for mass rally to be held. The cease work strike is being called in connection to the imminent final settlement of the Indo-Naga peace talks today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar along with President of Siva State Unit President M. TOMTV met Union Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi yesterday to discuss the prevailing situation in the state amid the impending Indo-Naga peace talks, which is likely to end today. One person died and 22 others, including 20 BSF Jawans, received injuries as a bus fell down in a gorge at Umtaria in East Jaintia Hills yesterday. According to the media reports, the bus was owned by the 93 Battalion ACOI of Border Security Force. The accident happened while the BSF personnel were returning to their base from NRC duty at Jagi Road in Assam's Morrigaon district and were on their way towards Silchar via Meghalaya. Although floodwater has receded in Kumrakata, Raikata, Thablaguri, Kanduguri, Nobhanga, Hatimura and many other villages in Assam's Hosai district but left behind miseries. Villagers who were in the relief camp are moving towards their houses, which are in miserable condition. The President's rule imposed in undivided Jammu and Kashmir was today revoked following bifurcation of the state into two union territories. As per reports, the two UTs of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh come into existence today after the central government on August 5th decided to abrogate the special status given to Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370 and create them on October 31st.